Hey guys, well here's what's cooking today. We are got about 2 hours before the rain's gonna come, so I'm gonna grab the Kubota and move this thing out back, get this out of here, and then I've got the well, you can't see it, I got the ragtop 58. We're gonna put that here, move the bus over, and get rid of some of these leaves. All right. Kubota time. Is it Herbie? I don't think so. Well, at least I can say a bug has done a wheelie in this driveway, so that's pretty cool. All right, we're gonna get this thing moved. So, how badly is this gonna go? That's a great question. I'm thinking bad, but on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm thinking it's gonna be about a 4. As long as I'm not injured, it should be fine. I'm really glad I bought this Kubota instead of the wheelbarrow with a gift card at Home Depot. All right, that was close. Probably lower this down a little bit. Oh yeah, we gotta put her in 4-wheel. You know, when the brakes are dragging, the Kubota's just overkill. You gotta have the old Big Red to help you out. Oh yeah, well there it is. Wait a second. What's wrong with this picture? You got it. 1967. The holy grail of VWs. Well, at least the Craigslist ad said 67's the holy grail. I love me some 67. Why? Well, because when I was 15, it was my first car. And it had a 1776 in it, which I never got registered, but I sure enjoyed ripping it up and down the street on our dead-end road, I can tell you that. So when Dubworks sent me the link for this 67, my fellow 67 brother, I jumped on it. Why? Well, also because it had a 1776 in it. How cool is that? So I said, can you show it tonight? He's like, tonight? I'm like, yeah. Then I get a text from Dubworks later. Did you hear back from the guy? I'm a 67. And then what happened, Dubworks? I had to pull over and show you I got the car. He said this heater worked killer in this thing. I'd be afraid of blowing myself up. So yeah, it needs about everything underneath it, but it's a 67. It's got a lowered beam on it too, which is cool. So lowered beam, 1776 motor. And a very rare option, the oval window, 10-year anniversary. Very rare, very rare 67 option. So pretty stoked about that. I know what you're thinking. That's just the camera. There's no line there. But anyway, this is what I'm playing around with tonight. I gotta clean this thing out. See how bad it really is. Looks like an original paint car though, minus that section right there. So let me know what you think. What do you think about the oval window? What do you think? I gotta figure out what we're welding on this winter. This might be it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Apron's pretty roached. It's weird how these just rust in different areas, you know? Alright guys, well there it is. Thanks for checking it out. Feel free to leave your comments below. You know I love the comments. So on this 67 oval, 1 year only, Holy Grail. Alright, have a great weekend guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.